In this video, we're taking a closer look at how to add Microsoft PowerBI to our content. Let's create a new playlist. Let's call it PowerBI. Let's open the playlist. In the top menu, open Apps. Click the PowerBI app. Click Authenticate. Microsoft will ask what user we'd like to log on with, and then we need to accept giving Play Digital Signage access to our PowerBI. When that's done, we have full access to all reports and dashboards in PowerBI. Let's maximize to cover the whole canvas. Let's find our PowerBI workspace. Let's find our PowerBI report or dashboard. In this example, we'll pick a dashboard called Shared Dashboard. Then, let's turn on Refresh periodically and set our refresh interval. The refresh interval is what tells the app to look for new content in PowerBI. Let's check out how that looks on our screen. The PowerBI app periodically refreshes the authentication session and extends it up to 90 days. If the plugin has not been displayed in the last 90 days, you have to authenticate by adding the plugin again. Thanks for watching.